Alvernia completed their 26th annual turkey drive over the Thanksgiving holiday. The drive collects turkeys, hams, and canned goods to help feed impoverished families of the Reading area. Alvernia University Turkey Drive will feed over 700 families over the next coming holidays through cooperation with multiple charitable organizations in Reading, PA. Polly Mathis, the director of the Turkey Drive at Alvernia, describes all of the organizations that the Turkey Drive serves.
The Kennedy House and the Red Cross. Kennedy House, we give out about 225 turkeys. The Red Cross, we give 276 turkeys and hams for their Christmas baskets for veterans. And we also have 30 turkeys that go to the Episcopal Church for their preschool program. We have 90 food baskets and turkeys that go to St. Margaret's School.
The Alvernia Turkey Drive gets its food donations from a lot of different sources. They receive donations from Alvernia students and professors, trustees, and any other individual that would like to donate. Alvernia receives food and cash donations to fulfill all of the promises that they make. Alvernia students also pitch in and help pack food boxes and to help hand out donations. The organization that benefits the most from the Turkey Drive is the Kennedy House located in Reading. The Kennedy House receives most of the food out of all the organizations that are involved in the Turkey Drive, and they need it. People waited in line for hours for the opportunity to receive a holiday meal. Even some people that already received tickets that guaranteed them food waited in line in the cold to receive the food. Sister Eloina Alvarez, who helps run the Kennedy House, has also seen an increase of people that come to their weekly meals to receive food.
Because this year there are more people are coming. Okay. Poor family, during the week, Saturday and Sunday, every day the number are increasing. For example, Sue Kitchen, I have Sue Kitchen Saturday and Sunday. Sometimes they are coming to sit at the table to eat something, about 180, 190, 200 people every Saturday and Sunday.
The Red Cross in Reading, PA is another big recipient of the goods from the Turkey Drive. The Red Cross helps serve the veterans in the Reading area. The Red Cross receives turkeys and hams, and they help give veterans a holiday meal. Sherry Bingham is an employee of the Red Cross and believes that we need to help veterans to thank them for their duty.
And these vets served our country, so it's the least we can give back to our veterans.
Alvernia Turkey Drive, it leaves a lasting impression on the people that are involved. All of the people that we have talked to have stories about their favorite part of the holiday drive.
Seeing the veterans that come into Red Cross for the basket and the joy, just the look on their face when they receive the basket.
The centerpiece of my year, it's my favorite, my most frustrating and my most joyous activity all year. I'm changed by it. Every year the Turkey Drive teaches me something. I don't know what this year's lesson is, but I know there will be one.
And this is Francesca Lampe with BCTV.